In this video, we will show you how to add automatic number in MS Excel. So as you can see, if I'm typing here serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see this automatic border is coming here. But if I'm typing here, let's say 1, 2, here automatic border will not come. So to add this automatic border, we have one formula that we need to use here, or we can say some conditional formatting that we can use here. So for that, first select the area where you want to add this automatic border. After that, go to conditional formatting, click on new rule. Here we have one option as a use a formula to determine which cell to format. Click on it, take it somewhere side, click here and select the first cell. After that, select less than equal to and greater than equal to sign and take double inverted comma 2 times. Now remove this dollar sign and click on format. In the border, select this outline and click on OK. Now click on OK. So now see friends, if you are typing here 1, 2, serial number or anything that you want, the automatic border will come. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friend and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.